The second idiom, get the ball rolling. There's a moment before something begins, and everyone feels it. People are ready, the meeting is about to start, the project is waiting, but nothing is happening yet. Everyone is looking at one another. They look around, they're waiting for someone to begin. Then someone finally speaks. In English, the idiom get the ball rolling means to start something so that action can begin. The image comes from sports. When the ball starts moving, the game begins. The meeting starts in conversation. It means starting an activity, a discussion, or a process. Let's look at a simple situation. Imagine a group of friends planning a trip. Everyone agrees that they want to travel together, but nothing has been organized yet. Nobody has chosen a date or a destination. Finally, finally, one friend says, let's get the ball rolling. How about going in July? Now the plan begins. Someone suggests a city, someone checks the flight prices, someone looks at the hotels. So that first suggestion helped get the ball rolling. Now, here's a common example in the office. You are starting a new project at work. The team has gathered for the first meeting. Everyone is waiting to see who will speak first. The manager comes in and says, let's get the ball rolling. Can each person share one idea for the project? So the leader is the person that needs to know how to get the ball rolling. Now people begin contributing ideas, the conversation moves forward. The manager has got the ball rolling. You also hear this idiom in everyday situations. For example, imagine you want to start exercising again. You say to yourself, I just need to get the ball rolling. So you start with a small step to get the ball rolling. Maybe a short walk today, then tomorrow a longer one. So once you start, it becomes easier to continue. That is the meaning of this idiom, get the ball rolling. Try saying the phrase aloud, get the ball rolling.